Hi, Rolf here, and thanks for joining me again this week. So, my question is, how can we make for a more sustainable future? How can we make tomorrow better? I hear all the time people talking about ESG plans, and I'll be honest with you, I think a lot of that stuff is pie in the sky thinking. The concept of just throwing everything out and starting over again, I don't know if that's always wise or the most practical solution. Here are a couple of facts. 50% of all the roofs in America that get replaced every year don't need to be. 36% of the landfill volume in the United States is taken up by construction debris, and 10% is taken up just with roofing debris. If we could make incremental improvement in the decision-making process of re-roofing, we could have a profound impact on the environment in the US. But I call those all reactive numbers. How does that happen? By and large, last-minute decisions and uninformed decisions. And you know, what happens in talking to customers, I find out they're concerned because they're not meeting their corporate recycling or sustainability goals. They're worried because they're filling landfills needlessly, and they're frustrated because they know they're just wasting dollars. So how do you get around the problem? Is it time to start thinking about making better roofing decisions? Early engagement. Instead of thinking about a project next month, should we be thinking about the project in 2023 and 2024 and really thinking through an appropriate solution? And developing a relationship with a trusted advisor and maybe getting some educational seminars so you understand the industry today and what options there are. If any of that resonates with you and you'd like to have a conversation, let me know. My contact information is in this post. And as always, don't forget to follow me at #RolfTheRoofingGuy at LinkedIn, YouTube, or Rumble. And don't forget, I am the Practical Environmentalist.